Hello my great people. Yeah, this is Matthew Adama aka Bassmatics. Thanks for joining in again, and you're welcome to Bassmatics Bass World once again. I saw that a lot of you subscribed to the channel already, and if you've not done that, please do this and then turn on notification. In this session your life will never remain the same, trust me. Some people asked me to make my teaching slower a bit for easy comprehension, so I've decided to do this second part of the Makossa video and Calypso with different techniques and different styles of playing the Makossa. In this session, you're going to have everything to the slowest you can have. Okay, so let's go on this journey. So the way I'm going to do it this time, I'll play it normal with the beat and then break it down to explain it for you, one after the other. There are so many of them. So just keep your eye on this. Don't miss any session. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's move straight to business. I'm going to be playing on the key of D, and then my D is toned downward. You already know. Some of you were asking me without bringing your seat. Okay. Alright, no problem. I'm here for you. So we're going straight to it. I'm going to be playing the progression of 1, 4, 5, 4, 1 this time around. So enjoy. That's 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. So I did. So it's very important that you play with ghost notes when you play an African groove. You know, you can't do it without ghost notes. It won't sound African. You can hear the ghost note. Basically, the notes I'm playing is the basic notes I'm playing is do so so do mi fa re so 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 re so so re till you do. You understand? As you're playing here, you know about octave, yeah? Do, re, mi, fa, sol. When you have sol here, of course, there's do under your sol everywhere. So you now have more room to express with a lighter note. When you have do here, you have mi, sol, do, and so. So as you're playing, So I played something. I played Soukus. The one I played, I did. So the idea behind it is do mi so, fa la so, mi so ti so, fa la so, do so do mi so, fa la so, mi so ti so, fa la. Make sure your thumb is there. Then beware of the accidentals. I mean, take note of the accidentals. Then your ghost notes are in between. That's when you go to a higher octave to play the same thing. Then there's one you can play. Then at some point I came. So the beauty of Makossa is those accidentals, like when they're not expecting it, just hit them. This do me. So what I just simply played is fa, so, fa. That same progression on a higher octave, so I could express more, I could spread more. Simple way to master this whole movement and fingering. Just practice. You need to master it. Then master something like fa la fa so ti so fa la fa do mi do fa la fa so ti so fa la fa do mi do. So it's easier for you to now express and then alternate based on your practice. So there are different ways you can still play. You can play it depends on the pattern you're playing, either Soukus or Makossa. Mi, re, mi, so, so, mi, re, so, do, 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 mi, re, mi, so, so, mi, re, so, do, 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 mi, re, mi, so, so, mi, re, fa, so, fa, mi, do, 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 mi, re, mi, so, 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 mi, re, fa, so, fa, mi, la, do, do, la, do, do. So it is the loop that will make it heavy. Without the loop, everything you're playing is just going to be dry. Fa so mi do, fa fa, so so, ti fa, do 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 do, fa, so so, ti fa, do 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 do. So it is the loop that will keep it full and heavy. Now watch same note. So when I came down here, I started hitting my re. But when I was here, I was hitting so. You understand? Mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do, mi, re, mi. Okay, without this now. Mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do, mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do, mi. So you can see that it was dry, but with this now. So the idea is mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do, mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do, mi, re, mi, so, mi, re, so, do. So you know, your thumb now. Let me make it slower. Okay, hope you get. Then so the idea is so let me break it down. So that's the idea. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you gained so much from this tutorial. More are coming your way. So I'm going to be teaching on how to slap in my next video. Just keep your eye on this. Don't miss any episode. Don't miss any session at all. See you again.